The first product that we sell is the fastest growing ERP in the small to mid-sized business arena. It's called Acumatica. They're really heavily into AI, which is the big buzzword now. Everybody wants AI to help speed up your business processes. Acumatica is the fastest growing. It's got the best user interface out there. And it's very configurable, very flexible for companies. For instance, a company on one of our traditional competitors might have to change their business process to meet the software. With Acumatica, we can come in and have the software work with their business processes. Main benefit of having Acumatica is twofold. First of all, there's no per user license fees, so it's unlimited users. So it encourages you to have your entire company participate, and you have a better view of the data of the company. And second is it's the digital ERP. If you're currently a company that has multiple software solutions, for instance, you have Salesforce for CRM, then you have an accounting package, you have a production package, Acumatica is one source for everything in your company. And we have immediate one source of the truth because everybody's participating in the software.